Trust Josh Annarelli here is going to do a great job doing this walkthrough video. Nobody knows this boat better than himself. When the man's not working, he's fishing. So is he really ever working? Nope. Not a day in his life. With that being said, 15 feet of pure madness getting ready to happen.
Well, what's going on, guys? Josh Annarelli here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm standing next to an all-new piece of inventory we have here. It's the Boston Whaler 150 Montauk, the smallest in the Montauk family, but it doesn't lack in features. Come step on and take a look. So before we take a step inside the boat, I wanted to point out a feature on the Montauk that makes it unique. You might be thinking, hey, I want to store this in the garage, but I might have a clearance issue. Boston Whaler thought of that. The trailer that comes with the Montauk actually has a swing tongue, which allows you to physically swing the tongue away and give you that little bit of extra clearance you may need. I mentioned earlier this is the smallest option in the Montauk family, but it still has big Boston Whaler features. We have heavy-duty stainless hardware, durable non-skid throughout. Whether you're fishing, family boating, or just going for a cruise, this will do all that for you, no problem. You look back here, we have the optional fishing package, which includes the cooler and jump seat with all your rod holders here. Alright, so I mentioned fishing features before. This one we have option with the trolling motor panel. So if you decide to add your bow mount trolling motor, you have power already ran, it'll be easy plug and play package. You also have your oversized anchor locker. That's a lot of storage for a boat this size. So Boston Whaler refers to the Montauk series as a hose and go package. It's clean, easy to put in the water and go. That holds true at the Helm. You have your simple rocker switches, your analog gauges, and you have ample room for your choice of electronics. Let's take a look at the Helm and the leaning post seat. Moving back to the Helm, this is where you spend most of the time on the boat. You have nice comfortable seating, easy access to your controls, and you have the reversible backrest here. Nice comfortable rear seat when you're hanging out the sandbar, and underneath you have your fuel tank. So you have easy access. You can even pull that out if you want to bring it to the gas station, bring it back to the boat, and it's out of the way so it's not inhibiting your walking. Alright, for you fishing guys, we have a nice size live well for a 15-footer. Keep your live baits all day. You have rod holders on either side with a little bit of purpose-built storage for your 5-gallon bucket. And then you move back. We've got the Mercury outboard 60 horsepower, plenty of power to push this boat, and it'll get you from here to the fishing ground to the sandbar, no problem. So guys, I appreciate you taking a look at this 15 Montauk we have from Boston Whaler. Give us a call here, MarineMax in St. Petersburg. My name again is Josh Annarelli. We look forward to getting you on the water. Moving back to the powerhouse, the Mercury 60 horsepower, Nick Pavlakis inspired line. No one likes Mercury outboards as much as Nick Pavlakis, and I am second to that. This thing will push this boat just fine, and when I say just fine, it's a rocket ship for its size, and this is not something you mess around with. Built in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Let's go.